Welcome to the Official Product Reviewer channel. I'm Dr. Kimball, your guide on this journey to uncovering innovations and everyday solutions that can significantly improve your health and quality of life. Our mission here is to dive deep into the world of products, from the cutting edge of technology to the simplicity of natural remedies, enabling you to make informed and uplifting choices. What you can expect from us: honest, detailed reviews with a laser focus on enhancing health and wellness. Wide-ranging insights into products that encourage a vibrant, healthy lifestyle. Practical advice to enhance your well-being, spotlighting products with genuine health advantages. Whether you have a passion for breakthrough health innovations, love for natural daily solutions, or you're on a quest to boost your quality of life, you're in the right place. As your host, I invite you to subscribe and journey with us from the ordinary to the extraordinary through our meticulously chosen reviews. Stay updated on our latest finds by turning on notification. Join our community and let's explore together how to live a healthier, more fulfilling life.